All right, guys. Hey, just wanted to connect with you here. Obviously, I'm not there today. My wife had an appointment, and so I have to be home with the kiddos. And so I was here this morning. I took a half day off here this morning, but obviously not here the second half of the day. So I apologize for that. But I think we're in good shape. So, couple things I'll just say. I know I haven't passed back your test. If you have not taken that test from before break, can you please message me and just say, hey, I need to set up a time and give me one or two times or days you're thinking because we got to get that taken care of like 2 weeks ago. So that's the first thing. The second thing is I want to pass back those tests. I'll try and do that tomorrow. But those who didn't take it, we got to deal with you first and make sure we take care of that. So I did not forget about your test. I have them sitting right here on my desk. I just won't be there to pass them back, so I'm not going to do that with the sub. So we'll try to go over those tomorrow and make sure you get that. Okay, that's the first thing. Now, the second thing, right before break, if you remember, we were talking about different types of chemical reactions. We did that big demo day where you guys filled out the 6 different examples and identified this reaction was this type, this reaction was this type, and then we also said, hey, hopefully you know how. Now, remember we're in Unit 5, so if I go and click Unit 5 here, okay, we've done a couple things. We've done this Ed puzzle and type of reactions. We started the Unit 5 homework and did page 1. The other thing is if you scroll to the bottom of Unit 5, you look, there's a folder just for today. Okay, so hopefully you found this already. There's instructions for the day. There's another Ed puzzle on what we want to talk about today, predicting products. But before you get to that, here's what I'd like you to do. Let me get to the homework. Remember, we've done page 1 of the homework. So this first page, which is just kind of a chart laid out to say what are the types of reactions, give me a sample equation and give me clues for those different reaction types. We've done page 1. Before we do anything, what I'd like to do is, for your own mind, figure out, do I really remember this? Do I understand this? Do I know it? So I'm going to ask you to start the class period doing page 2 and page 3. Okay? It has you do a little bit of balancing and then identify the reaction type. A little bit, here are some different reactions that are already balanced, but then you got to identify the reaction type. And then it has another question on combustion reactions. So page 2 and 3, do those first. I'll try to also put the answer key in Schoology for you so you have that. And then when you're done in 2 and 3, then you can go back, go to today's folder, Wednesday 1/3/18, and do the Ed puzzle. Okay? That has questions embedded on it. Those answers get spit to me. This Ed puzzle will go in the grade book. So I'm just giving you a heads up on that. It'll go in as a lab activity, which is 30%. So I want to make sure you get that done. When you're done with that, then you're ready to be able to do pages 4 and 5 in the homework. Now, I'm not saying they have to be done when you come tomorrow, but you should have a decent understanding of predicting products. We'll talk more about that when I come back tomorrow. Ask any questions you have on that, but you can feel free to get started on pages 4 and 5. So short agenda for today. It's pretty simple. Start with page 2 and 3 in the homework. When those are done, you do the Ed puzzle on predicting products. When that's done, then you can do pages 4 and 5 in the homework. Hopefully that's clear. If not, message me, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow. Go Panthers.